Pizza, the dish that reigns supreme in the hearts and stomachs of billions worldwide. Born in the boot-shaped country of Italy, pizza has exploded into a global food phenomenon, conquering cultures everywhere. So, what goes into making these pizzas on such a massive scale to satisfy this enormous demand? Let's dive into the pizza production process in factories to get a better understanding of how these pies journey from the assembly line to your dinner table. In the food industry, especially in large-scale production, food safety and hygiene are always top priorities. The pizza production process in modern factories is no exception. The journey to create a delicious pizza begins with wheat flour, the soul of the dish. Only the highest quality flour is carefully selected to ensure excellent quality for each pizza. Pure flour is fed into giant automated mixers, where it's combined with water, yeast, and other secret ingredients in precise proportions, down to the gram. Inside these modern mixers, the mixture is thoroughly blended, gradually binding together to form a smooth, elastic dough, ready for the next stages of the process. The smooth dough, after being thoroughly kneaded, embarks on an exciting journey along the factory's modern conveyor system. To maintain hygiene and prevent the dough from sticking to surfaces, these conveyors are lightly coated with a thin layer of dry flour, creating a soft cushion for the dough to glide smoothly. First, the large dough pieces are welcomed by a series of continuous rolling cylinders, where they are delicately flattened. Just like the conveyors, the cylinder surfaces are also dusted with dry flour, ensuring a seamless rolling process without any hiccups. Under the rhythmic motion of the rollers, the dough is gradually stretched, forming long, soft sheets that flow like graceful ribbons of silk. The journey of these dough ribbons doesn't end there. They move on to additional rolling and cutting machines, where excess edges are precisely trimmed. Every piece of machinery in this process is finely calibrated to ensure absolute accuracy in the size and thickness of each dough sheet. All these steps are carried out under strict supervision, delivering consistently high-quality pizza bases that meet the most demanding standards. At this stage, an important task arises: removing the dry flour layer previously applied to prevent sticking. To accomplish this, the pizza bases pass through a special roller equipped with soft brushes. These brushes gently sweep away the excess flour, leaving the surface of the bases smooth while retaining just enough flour to maintain the necessary dryness. Next, the bases encounter a spiked rotary drum, an essential step in the process. This drum creates tiny perforations across the surface of the dough. These small holes allow steam to escape during baking, preventing air bubbles from forming and ensuring the bases cook evenly with a perfectly crispy texture. Still gliding smoothly along the conveyor, the long, silky dough sheets now arrive at another crucial stage: shaping. Here, they meet a special rotating drum equipped with sharp circular molds. These molds transform the dough sheets into the uniform, familiar round shapes we associate with every pizza. The cutting process is swift and precise, ensuring each pizza base has perfect dimensions and shape. Interestingly, the leftover dough from the cutting process isn't wasted. Instead, it's automatically collected and returned to the initial production cycle. This intelligent recycling system not only saves materials and reduces costs, but also contributes to environmental protection. It's a clear example of the harmonious blend of production efficiency and eco-consciousness in modern pizza manufacturing. However, while the method of rolling dough into long sheets offers high efficiency and supports large-scale production, it does have a limitation. The process generates a significant amount of leftover dough after cutting the circular shapes. Although recycling the leftover dough is an effective solution, it poses stricter technical requirements. The recycled dough must retain its freshness and original physical and chemical properties to ensure it doesn't compromise the final product's quality. In addition to rolling dough into sheets, the factory employs a more advanced shaping technology that optimizes material usage. Instead of creating long sheets, the dough is divided into small portions with precisely measured weights. Each portion is then rolled into a ball, ready for the next pressing stage. These perfectly rounded dough balls are guided through a specially designed roller system. Under precise pressure from the rollers, the dough balls are flattened into flawless pizza bases with consistent thickness. The standout advantage of this method is that it produces no excess dough, maximizing material efficiency and minimizing waste. However, since each dough ball is processed individually, this method has a slower production speed compared to rolling dough into sheets. The bases are then transferred into modern industrial ovens, where the temperature is precisely controlled at around 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the ideal heat level to create a golden, crispy crust while maintaining a soft interior. In just about 5 minutes, the dough gradually transforms from a creamy white to an appetizing golden brown. This baking process is fully automated and managed by advanced computer systems, ensuring that each base achieves perfect doneness, uniform color, and the right level of crispness. Every pizza undergoes a meticulous inspection by skilled artisans. These discerning judges, with their keen eyes, carefully examine every detail. The crust must have a perfectly golden brown color, and the size must be precisely accurate down to the last centimeter. Leaving the pizza base production area, we now turn to an equally important character in creating the perfect pizza: tomato sauce. The journey of tomato sauce is just as fascinating, beginning with fresh, ripe tomatoes harvested straight from the farm. Massive trailers carrying up to 24 tons of plump red tomatoes roll into the factory. The tomatoes are unloaded en masse into a water-filled channel. Here, small stones and impurities sink to the bottom and are easily removed. Next, the tomatoes are bathed in hot water to loosen their outer skins, making the preparation process more efficient. They then enjoy a refreshing massage shower under high-pressure water jets on the conveyor belt, ensuring they are thoroughly cleaned. Next, the tomatoes are diced and pureed, ready for the transformation into sauce. Simultaneously, premium olive oil is added to a large container, along with fragrant onions and garlic, and heated for a few minutes to release their aroma. This mixture is then poured into the pureed tomatoes, creating a colorful and flavorful symphony. After being simmered and stirred, the tomato sauce gradually thickens. At this point, salt and oregano are added to achieve its signature taste. And just like that, we have a smooth, perfectly flavored tomato sauce, ready to dress the waiting pizza bases. Let's return to the familiar conveyor belts, where the pizza bases eagerly await their vibrant, flavorful new layer. The automated process now takes us to the topping stage, another equally crucial step. Here, advanced technology is fully utilized to ensure absolute precision. Specialized machines, pre-programmed for accuracy, apply just the right amount of tomato sauce to each base, evenly spreading it across the entire surface. No corner is overlooked, with every pizza carefully crafted like a piece of art coming to life. The sauce spreading process flows smoothly and gracefully, like a choreographed dance. The rich, silky tomato sauce is distributed evenly, creating a flawless foundation for the delicious toppings that are about to follow. Watching the perfectly round pizzas gliding along the conveyor belt. Have you ever wondered about the origin of this familiar shape? Few people know that throughout its history, pizza has undergone many transformations in shape before becoming the iconic circle we recognize today. In the past, pizzas were often folded in half like a sandwich to make them easier to carry and eat, as a large round pizza was too cumbersome to transport. The circular shape, however, allowed the pizza to cook more evenly, delivering a consistent, delicious flavor in every slice. It also made sharing the pizza much simpler. Additionally, spinning the dough into a round shape is a skillful technique used by bakers to evenly distribute the ingredients and create a thin, uniform, and visually appealing crust. And now, let's welcome the star of the pizza, cheese. Carefully selected from trusted suppliers, these rich, creamy blocks of cheese undergo a rigorous inspection process to ensure the highest quality. From its signature flavor to its ideal elasticity, each block is meticulously examined by experts. Only the finest candidates pass this stringent selection process to move on to the next stage: shredding. The approved cheese blocks are fed into specialized shredding machines. At incredible speed, these machines transform them into tiny, uniform shreds, perfect for spreading across the pizza's surface. The consistent size of the cheese shreds not only enhances the pizza's visual appeal, but also ensures even melting during baking, delivering an irresistible, flavorful experience. Now it's time for the pizzas to be dressed in their most vibrant attire. A variety of fresh ingredients, from savory slices of meat to colorful vegetables, eagerly await their turn to shine on this culinary stage. Like masterful artists, robotic arms move gracefully and skillfully, placing each topping onto the tomato sauce-covered bases. Every topping is precisely measured to ensure each pizza achieves the perfect balance of flavors. Depending on the pizza type, these robot artists carefully select and arrange the ingredients. Spicy pepperoni for those who love bold flavors, smoky bacon for an irresistible allure, or sweet fresh mushrooms for those craving a lighter touch. Together, these elements create a harmonious symphony of taste. Finally, shredded cheese cascades onto the pizzas like a pristine snowfall. Evenly spread across the surface, this layer of cheese will melt in the oven into a golden, gooey blanket, exuding an irresistible aroma and inviting anticipation with every bite. To ensure long-term preservation or enable long-distance transportation, the pizzas undergo quick freezing in blast chillers or tunnel freezers, where they are rapidly cooled to freezing temperatures. This method extends their shelf life while maintaining quality throughout. Once completed, the pizzas are transferred into a modern freezing system for storage. Before these delicious pizzas hit the road to reach customers, a final quality check is conducted with utmost rigor. This critical quality control step ensures that every pizza meets the highest standards in appearance, taste, and food safety before reaching consumers. The frozen pizzas are then moved to the packaging area, where sensor-controlled systems ensure smooth and continuous operations. The pizzas are automatically fed into wrapping machines that use rollers, heat-sealing mechanisms, and cutting tools to wrap each one in plastic or shrink film. The plastic film, drawn from rolls, is tightly sealed around the pizza to protect it from external elements and preserve freshness. For pizzas packed in cardboard boxes, automated box assembly machines swiftly fold flat sheets into sturdy boxes with high precision. Sealing machines apply tape or hot glue to securely close the boxes, ensuring they are well sealed to protect the pizzas during transport and storage. Are you someone who loves the convenience of frozen pizzas, ready to enjoy after just a few minutes in the microwave? Or do you cherish the refined culinary experience of handcrafted pizzas, where every slice reflects the skilled artistry of chefs, rich in personal touch and unique flavor? Each choice carries its own value. Frozen pizzas cater to a fast-paced lifestyle, saving precious time, while handcrafted pizzas offer a journey into authentic flavors, with every ingredient carefully selected and crafted with care, infusing soul into every bite. So, which pizza world do you belong to? Share your thoughts and preferences in the comments below.